Hi everyone, this is Abdul Wahab and I welcome you all to my channel Lingo Kick. And today I have with me a university lecturer, Sir Adnan Qureshi. Here it is. Sir Adnan Qureshi. I will be asking some questions from him and he will be replying you. So he's your guide today, not me. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so here is Sir Adnan Qureshi. How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How about you?
I am good, thank you very much. Okay, sir. So I have my audience here, and I have some students as well from my school, Al Badr School. So you have to tell the audience, tell my learners, how one can improve his English.
Okay, so the language improvement is actually totally based on the listening. How much you listen or whatever you listen in English, it will really improve your language and your accent and all speaking skills, your listening skills, and your writing too. So if you are listening the language, whatever language you are listening right now, or you're listening English, especially as you want to improve your English language. So, in my point of view, listening is one of the most important things that actually improve your.
It means you want to convey the message that listeners should improve their listening skills.
Yes.
My audience should improve their listening skills to
Yes.
improve the English, right? So first tip from the teacher is that you have to work on your listening skills. The more you listen, the better your speaking skills will be.
Okay, so second thing is the one of the most important things, and the point is you just have to organize thoughts. Whatever you have done in your day, in your daily routine, you just have to write down at the night time, and whatever you have done in the daytime, you just have to write
Very
down.
good, very
And
important
this is
point.
one of the best things that can improve your writing skills.
It helps, I think, in organizing as well, organizing thoughts, clear thoughts.
Yes, absolutely.
Well done, well done. So the second tip from the teacher, from the lecturer, from the coach is work on your writing skills, because writing will help you speak clearly, think before what you say, and then you will be able to speak easily, convey your messages easily. So the third tip is from Sir Adnan Qureshi is
Your grammar.
grammar.
Your grammar
Wow.
must be clear.
My favorite part.
Yes, it must be universal.
Universal.
Yes, it must be standardized as whatever you are writing. It must be syntactically and grammatically correct. So when I said the first point, that was listening, you don't have to focus on grammar in terms of listening when you are listening something, because
Oh.
when a child born, he or she doesn't know what the parents and the society is telling to him or her. But when he grows up, he automatically starts speaking language. Whatever
Yes.
he listen to his parents and the society.
Okay, so first tip listening, but not concerning much about grammar.
Yes.
Second is writing. It will help you think clearly and speak properly. Speak with conviction what you want to speak. And the third tip is grammar. Acha, tell me one thing. My learners are actually newbies na. They are at the beginning level. For them, is grammar in depth important or just fundamentals? What do you think?
So you don't have to focus much on grammar. Just tell them some of the basic rules.
Like topic?
Give them the subject verb agreement.
Good.
And these sentence structures were very basic.
What about tenses?
Tenses, yes. The present, past, and simple tenses. All the simple tenses. Do not teach them the different tenses. That is, if they are at the very beginning level.
Good. Okay, what about the last thing?
Okay, so last thing is your consistency. If you
Good.
are consistent and you keep learning, so it will really improve your English language in terms of
It means
speaking.
don't give up.
Yes.
In short, don't give up.
Yes.
Well done, sir. Thank you very much.